Hear that? That's the sound of 27 silverfish spawning every second. And in this video, I'll be presenting my new XP form along with its 3 variants. We'll cover statistics, how the machine works, how to set them up, and a block-by-block tutorial on how you can build one of these for yourself. So without further ado, let's begin. As you know, there are 3 variants of the machine. The first variant is the classic variant, is the one I'll mainly be covering in this video. For the other 2 variants, the cheap one and the cut Deepslate bricks one, the schematic link will be provided in the description. Note that all variants run at the same rate, and the only difference is the looks. As far as statistics go, this machine creates 8,100 XP per minute, which results in 486,000 XP per hour. This machine requires 30,000 stress units to run at max RPM. If you want to reduce this number of stress units, you can change the speed here, but please keep in mind that this will alter your machine's performance. Many of you may be wondering on how this machine works, and the answer to that is quite simple, so I'll briefly explain. We all know that infested stone spawns silverfish when broken. The Create mod has a recipe to make this infested stone by haunting regular stone, so you can see where this is going. Using a cobble generator, the machine creates cobblestone, which these helpers collect and insert into the vault. Next, the cobblestone is smelted in the stone, which is then haunted into infested stone. The infested stone is then inserted into a depo, which is picked up by a mechanical arm and given to the deployers. The deployers place the infested stone, which is then broken by a minecart contraption, which is continuously picking itself and placing itself back down. You know, after saying that out loud, it's actually not as simple as I thought it was. Anyway, now that you understand how this machine operates, let's start building it. If you'd like to get the schematic for this build, a link will be provided in the description. If you are not interested in building the machine by hand, you can go to the timestamp above to skip to the setup guide. Before we begin building, I want to let you know that I'm going to be building the classic version of this farm. The other 2 I will not be covering in this build showcase. Before we begin, here is the list of materials you're going to need. Once you've gathered all the materials, it's time to start building. So, we're going to be building this layer by layer. So, we'll start with the bottom layer. First, place 3 depots on the bottom like so. Okay, now then, it's time to start building the bottom layer. The bottom layer is going to be extremely simple. All you have to do is place casings along the bottom, like so. Next, we're going to place casing and run glass along the side like this. And run casings along the back side. Now, we're going to place a rail here and a cut assembler on top of the rail. Now, we just run casings along and around the machine again. Now, we're going to get a linear chassis and put one here, and a redstone block on top of the minecart assembler. We're then, once again, going to run casings around the machine, like so. Now, we're going to grab cells and place cells along the top of this machine like so. Now get your super glue and super glue the casings together like so. That way, when the mechanical contraption starts activating, it will all be together in one piece. Now for the next layer, grab any sort of material you want. In this case, I'll be using stone bricks to cover everything up. And we'll be outlining it with a casing. Okay, this next step is going to be quite complicated. First, we're gonna run deployers on top of the machine like so. Next, we want to get cogwheels and run cogwheels all along the back like so. Now, put a gearbox here and place cogwheel, cogwheel, cogwheel. Now we're going to place a mechanical arm here. Run 3 more cogwheels. Place another mechanical arm, then another cogwheel, and then a rotational speed controller. Now I'm just going to come around to the front and place 1 casing here and 1 casing here. Okay, now for your first layer of vault, which will be going along the bottom right here. Now place a cogwheel here and here. Place 2 deployers facing the vaults. Now place a gearbox and a large cogwheel on top of the speed controller. Now go to the front of the machine and place 2 more casings. Now it's time for your next layer of bolts. If you are choosing to place down a screen instead of glass, you need to run a cogwheel like so. If you are not choosing to run a screen, you don't need this part. But for this example, I will be placing a screen down. Now we're going to need to place 1 shaft here, and place 1 depo here. Now go to the front of the machine and place 2 more casings like so. To begin this layer, I'm going to run 1 layer of casings all the way across like so. Now we're going to get a vault and turn it into 1 big vault. Now grab brass funnels and make sure they're facing away from the vault, all 3 of them. Now place a shaft right here. Come around to the side of the machine and place a threshold switch facing the vault. Place your soul campfire here and place another shaft here. Go to the threshold switch, place a rail on top of it, and a cart assembler. Place a temporary block here, and a copycat pane here. Now break your temporary block. Place a casing here, and a casing here, and place another speed controller right here. Now place another casing here, here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and right there. And we'll get our glass, and run glass over the top, like so. Now grab your hoppers, and run the top of the vault with hoppers like so. Make sure that they're all facing down into the vault. Now place another shaft here, and a fan facing down here, and there. Go over here, place a large cogwheel, and a vertical gearbox here. Place a casing here, and run framed glass over the top. Make sure to surround this with casings. Also add casings down here. Place a redstone block on top of the cart assembler and 2 linear chassis beside it. Get your super glue and super glue these 3 blocks together. Get your cell frames and place frames along the top of the machine like so. Grab your casings and finish filling the back of the machine right here. Grab your mechanical pumps and run the top of the machine like so. Make sure you're holding down crouch so that all the pumps are facing down towards the cells. Grab your encased chain drives and run them atop the fans like so. Get your cogwheel and place 1 here. Now cover everything up in casings once again. Add glass at the front of the machine to finish off all the glass layers. Now for the final touch, to add 1 final casings layer over the top of the machine and place down your tanks over the pumps like so. Now go around to the back of your machine, get yourself a casing, and cover all of these blocks up to help with FPS lag. Now if you plan on using a display board, go ahead and place that down now. You can also use glass instead if you don't wish to place a display board. Now to set your filters. Make sure this filter is set to cobblestone and is turned into stone. Then this outputs the stone and collects the infested stone. Then this outputs the infested stone, which these mechanical hands will grab. Speaking of, let's set those up. Break both of your mechanical hands so that we can start configuring them. Now click Take from Depo here, and make sure that the mechanical arm deposits to all of the deployers. You're going to have to break the stone blocks that we placed here. Make sure you're holding shift so that the deployers don't take the mechanical arm from your hand. Do 5 on one side, and we'll do 5 for the mechanical arm, for the other mechanical arm for the other side. Take, and there. 1 input and 15 outputs. Now do the same thing on the opposite side for the other mechanical arm. There, 1 output and 15. 1 input and 15 outputs. Now you can place back down your stone bricks or whatever block you had here, and you will be done. Cover it up, and the machine is almost ready to go. Grab a water bucket and place water along the bottom of the machine here. Oh. Along the bottom of the machine here. Grab levels and place 1 level here and 1 level here. And there you have it. You're done building the machine. Now, let's go on to the setup. Now for the setup guide. First, break the tanks above and waterlog all of the mechanical pumps. Now place back down the tanks and then break and place back down the vault to reset its block values. Place lava here and insert lava into the tanks above. Here's a little system I like to use to insert the lava. Make sure that the super glue is correctly placed down. It should look like this for each contraption. Next, place a minecart on the rails under the core assemblers. Apply any speed of rotational power here and here. If you wish to alter the speed of your machine to reduce stress units, you can do so here. Levers on the back of the machine are used to turn the contraption on and off. If you enjoy Java code, I got a proposal I'd like to make. The organized crime modded Minecraft community is actively seeking individuals capable of writing Java code. So if you're interested in being a part of the staff team, please let me know in the comments below or through Discord. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, consider subscribing. If you want exclusive access to unreleased builds, join the Art Creation Discord. With all that being said, I'll see you in the next video.